Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking battery health and recent charge cycles to know the scope of the problem. Look at battery percent patterns and which apps spike usage, then force close or uninstall the worst offenders. Turn off radios you don't need, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, because they constantly pull for signals and drain power. Once done, lower screen brightness and shorten screen timeout, since display is often the single largest consumer of energy. Make these first changes now to see immediate effect. Once you've handled the quick wins, you move into deeper optimization. Enable battery saver or adaptive battery so the system limits background activity automatically during low power. Go through apps and restrict background data and location permissions for anything that doesn't need constant access. This reduces wake locks and network activity. Update apps and the OS to pick up efficiency fixes, and if the drain began after a specific update, consider rolling that update back or reinstalling the app. To finish, try calibration. Charge to 100%, discharge to about 5%, then charge to 100% again to help the system report capacity accurately. Inspect the device for overheating, a swollen battery, or loose connectors. Hardware problems cause rapid drain and need repair. If software still seems responsible, boot into safe mode to test. If the drain stops there, an app is guilty. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset, but make sure to test again before restoring everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.